What is an ICO? ICO stands for Initial Coin Offering and is the way of entrepreneurs to raise funds for the new cryptocurrency project. They do it without the need to go through the regular procedures you usually need to deal with when it comes to raising money from banks or other financial institutions. At the first stage, the startup company behind the new system provides a structured plan where they present detailed information of everything that might be interesting and relevant for potential investors to know. This document is called white paper. There is a clear target of the amount of money need to be raised within a specified time frame in order for the project to take place. In case the target is not met, then the money should be returned to the investors. If the target is reached, however, then the company uses it for initiating the new cryptocurrency system. During the ICO campaign, the company sells tokens which work in a similar way to shares of a public company which are sold to investors in an IPO. You might be familiar with it. So basically the people who buy these tokens are early adopters who believe in the success of the project, what may lead to a significant increase in value of the currency that they hold. Then they'll be able to sell the coins for a profit, or keep holding them with the anticipation for even higher increases in the future. Or here is another way to put it. Think that you have an amazing idea for the creation of new revolutionary cryptocurrency. You have a company, a great team and a long-term vision. The only thing is that in order to make it happen, you need funds. So now you face the option of approaching banks and venture capital firms where you'll need to deal with all kind of mess, regulations, and even giving up of some of the legal rights of your project. Or, alternatively, you can go for ICO. What would you choose? Again, the way it works is quite simple. The company creates the white paper document with all the details of the project. Then they create a nice website, which its main goal is to convince the visitors how amazing their project is. And then they ask you to give them money. You in return receive coins of the new cryptocurrency, hoping for a significant rise in value following the official launch. So this is basically what ICOs are. The reason it is interesting for us is that during the ICO process there are different stages where the currency is sold for different prices. At the beginning, the tokens are sold at the cheapest price. The closer they get to the targeted time frame, the price rises higher. And after that, the price changes again once they start being traded in a cryptocurrencies exchange. So those changes sometimes create great opportunities for profits if we know when to enter and when to exit the market. We will talk about that later on this course.